Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you our part modeling in our new software, that is PTC Creo 3.0 edition. In this I will show you how to make the part model in this by using Creo commands. Here are the tools that you are seeing it. How to use and how to operate it, I will show you on. So let's get started. Go to here Creo parametric icon that I have selected. Select here new part and you untick the use default template. Click OK. Now here take the units mmns, that is millimeter Newton second per solid. Select this. Click OK. Now I will go to front plane, extrude. Click here circles. Make 2 circles from origin point. Go to line command. Select this point and this. Press the middle button. Select this and this. Select the middle button of mouse. Again select it, middle button. Now we have exit our command. So now we have to trim this. Go here, delete segment. Delete this lines arc. Press the middle button of mouse. Now here apply the radius, that is 21 mm, and here take 14 mm radius. So how to define that this is a diameter or radius? Then select this, right click, press right click wrong. These have converted into radius only, so let it be. This is also converted into radius only, so let it be. Select a circle. Make 2 circles here. Press the middle button of mouse. Apply here diameter as 28 mm. And second diameter will be 16 mm. Distance will be 53 and this height take it as 45 mm. Now let's see, this is our dimension or radius. Left click on this dimension and press right click long. See, it is now diameter only, so let it be like this. Click OK here. Now select the end condition as extrude on both sides, and here it will be 56 mm on both the sides. Click OK. Now again select this plane, extrude. Go here, project, select this icon, project tool. Select this arc, half arc outside of it. Click OK. Now go to line, or either select first reference lines. Select this arc, close. Now again go to line, make this sketch. Or either delete this line. Go here, project, select this arc, close it. Now go to line command, select this point, now we have exit our line command. Go here, delete segment, delete this line and this. Exit this by pressing scroll button on our mouse. Go to here, line command again. Select this point as you are seeing it. Draw here line. Select the delete segment. Press middle mouse button. Now here also zoom it and see the extra line here. So delete the segment. Delete this line. And this line. Now our sketch is complete. Give the dimensions here. By pressing normal. Select this line and this, and press middle mouse button, scroll button. Make it 126 mm. Or simply delete this. Now again go to normal. Select this line and this. Make it 126. OK. And select this reference line to this. Make it 42 mm. Delete this. Select this line and this line. delete this extra lines that we have created. Thickness will be 8 mm. Okay. Make it here 15 mm distance. Make this strong dimension because it says weak. So right click this, press right click. First press left click and then right click. Make it strong. Press enter. Now our dimensions have become strong. So press OK. Take here end condition as midplane and make this as 46 mm. Click OK. Now we have to draw one circle here on top side. So go to plane, select this top plane. Let's move in upward direction. Distance will be 28 mm. Click OK. Now select this plane, datum plane 1. As you can see in our feature manager tree, go to extrude command. Select your circle. Make this from origin point. Exit by using press scroll button. Now here give the dimension. Take diameter as 22 mm. As you can see, dimension is applied. Now click OK. It is on upward direction. We have to change it. Click on this arrow. And here end condition make up to next. Extrude to the selected point or curve. We have to select one plane surface. So select this surface. It will extrude here only. It will not move above. So exit. Now here select extrude command. Again select this plane circle. Again give circle command. We have to make one hole. Select the origin point here. Press the scroll button. Now here the dimension will be 12 mm. As you can see, dimension is become now fully defined in our SolidWorks like same as it is. Press OK. Now here change the direction here. By change the direction depth, this will be up to next automatically selected. As you can see, the hole is created. Press OK. Now hide this datum plane 1 by clicking on right click, hide. Now we have to give here fillet on this plane surface. So go to round command. End condition will be switched to set mode. Apply here radius. That will be 8 mm. Select the edge of this plane surface. 1, 2, 3 and 4. OK. Now say go to on datum plane, select this face. As you can see, delete this. Again choose plane. Select this surface. Transaction will be offset 0. Make it. Click OK. Now select this plane that we have created. Go to extrude command. Take here project first. Project the lines. Select this arc and this. And select these lines that you will see. And select this whole arc. Close. Now go to line command. Select this point. Make the sketch here. As you can see, make sure it will be tangent. So apply here this tangent command, this tangent relation. Select this line and this arc. Press scroll button, then it will be exit. Now go to delete segment, that is trim. Select this. Delete the lines that we don't want. So first delete this and this line. Press scroll button. Here the red point shows, it means that it is remaining here. So I will fill this gap. Press here project. Select this arc. Okay. Again go to delete segment. Press OK. Now our sketch is fully closed. So here click OK. Make a 7 mm depth. Change the direction. As you can see the preview, click OK. Now our sketch has been done here. Delete this extra material. So I will choose this surface, extrude. Now I will show you how to cut this. So select the circle or choose here reference. Choose here project lines. Project this inner circle. OK. See, it is selected. OK. Cut the material. Here it shows. Remove it. Now change the direction. See, it cuts the material from inside because I have changed the direction here. So click OK. Now our material is cut inside. So we have to mirror this material also from here. First I will hide this datum plane. Hide. Now select this middle plane, front plane. Go to here mirror feature. No, sorry. Actually select first material and then mirror. Now select the front plane. It will show the preview on blue color lines, as you can see. Click OK. Now our mirror has been done, mirror operation completed. Hide this plane also, front plane. Here some extra material is created, so select this plane, extrude. Go here project lines, project. It is like convert entities in SolidWorks that you have seen in the SolidWorks software, but in Creo it shows project, so be noted. Select the inner surface, inner circle. Press the middle scroll button. As you can see, the sketch is now closed. Click OK. It shows first extrusion. In order to cut inside the material, change the direction. See, it automatically selects the remove material icon. It means our material has been cut from inside. that I have selected the project lines. Press OK. Now one thing is remaining, that is give the holes here, 4 holes. So select this face, go on extrude tool command. Take here a center line. From origin point, press the middle scroll button. Now choose circle command. Draw here circle. Now give the dimensions as diameter 8 mm. And again give one dimension here. Take normal, select this point and this line, press the scroll button, take it as 10 mm. Now press OK. Change the direction here. See, it selects the remove material here only. So click OK. Now we will apply just mirror command here. Select this extrude cut, mirror. Select the front plane. OK. Now select this plane, extrude. Select your circle. Make here 2 circles of same radii. Change the dimensions. Give it diameter as 8 mm and distance will be 10 mm. Again give normal, select normal, select this edge to this circle point, press your scroll button. No, it is not properly applied here, so delete this. Again select this circle point, midpoint, select the edge, or select this circle point, remain as it is, same. So click OK. Change the direction from downwards. See, it automatically removes the material. Selected it. So click OK. Now our model is completed. Now hide all the planes. If you want to give any color, you can give it by going to renders. Select here appearance gallery. Give the color to whole part. This have selected. Select one or more items. Click OK. Now our model is completed. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel for more interesting projects on PTC Creo. We will also make the new projects on SolidWorks also. So thanks for watching it. Stay blessed. Bye bye.